Hello, everyone. Thank you for listening today. In this audio, I want to share some simple thoughts about life, self-improvement, and staying positive every day. Life can be busy and stressful sometimes. We all have so many things to do: work, family, study, and other responsibilities. It's easy to feel tired or overwhelmed, but it's important to remember to slow down and take a deep breath. When you feel stressed, pause for a moment. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Think about one good thing in your life. Maybe your family, your friends, or a happy memory. This simple habit can help your mind feel calm and fresh. Every day is a new chance to do better. You don't have to be perfect. Just try to be a little kinder, a little more patient, and a little more thankful than yesterday. Small changes build a better life over time. Another important thing is to take care of your body. Drink enough water. Eat healthy food. Try to sleep well at night. And if possible, go outside for a short walk. Nature can heal our stress and refresh our mind. Sometimes we compare ourselves with others. We see people online who look happy and successful. But remember, everyone has problems and sad days too. No one's life is perfect, so don't be too hard on yourself. It's good to have goals, but enjoy the journey too. Celebrate small wins. Be proud of every step forward, even if it's small. Talk to yourself with kind words. You are your own best friend. Spend time with people who make you feel happy and safe. Call your family or meet a friend for a cup of tea. Laugh together. Share your thoughts. A loving community gives you strength and hope. If you ever feel lonely or sad, talk to someone you trust. It's okay to ask for help. You don't have to carry all the weight alone. Kind words and a listening ear can make a big difference. Before you go to bed, think about 3 good things that happened today. They don't have to be big. Maybe you saw a beautiful sunset, enjoyed a tasty meal, or heard a good song. Ending the day with gratitude helps you sleep peacefully. Finally, always believe in yourself. You have the power to learn, grow, and change your life. Step by step, you can reach your dreams. Trust the process and trust yourself. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. I hope these simple words bring you calm, courage, and a little smile. Take care and have a beautiful day ahead.